guys, I just reached home. As you all know, some of you maybe, I changed already company and I started working with them this week. So from Monday to now. So I don't have time to open the box, the package that they sent to me. So now I'm here, so I have time now to open it. So today I worked 7 hours, so I started 8:30 and I worked overtime because 3 weeks that I did not work with them, and it's a little much work. So today I'm going to open the package that they sent to me, and it's a huge box. This one. So in this new company there's a lot of benefits, and one of them is this stuff. So first of all, I received this in the mailbox. I will open it now to see what is inside. Oh, so this one. So I am working with Partena Aalst. This is a big company here in Belgium. One of the biggest company here in Belgium. Actually, Partena is also our mutuality or health insurance company. So this Partena Aalst is a partner of insurance company. So they sent me this. So what is this for? So they explained it to me. This one is an envelope where I can put the distance checks from my clients. So every 2 weeks I have to send this, or I can just drop it in their mailbox, so I don't need to go to the post office to send this and pay. So their office is near to our home, it's not that far, so I can just drop by this in their mailbox every 2 weeks. So I just need to put here this one. So as I already started this week, so I have 3 checks here, because not all my clients is giving me instant checks paper. Most of them is electronics. So for electronics, I don't need to do anything for that. But this one, I need to put my registered ID number here in Belgium, my signature, and of course the date. So every 14 days I need to put it here and then drop in their mailbox, as I said earlier. So they give me good for 2 months anyhow. Yeah, they give me 5, but anyway they give me also here more. Then I don't need to every time call them and ask for this. So I'm done with it. And they give me also a handbook. It's an agenda. Okay, in Netherlands is agenda. So this is my agenda. Here is my agenda for 2021. In the first page is my name, the name of my consultant. And for example, you are sick, you can call them between 8 to 8:30 in the morning to let them know. Or you can send an email directly to the consultant. Here is also the public holidays. This part is the public holidays. Here is the telephone number of different sector in the Partena Aalst, the consultant, the HR. So you can contact them through this telephone number and their names. This is the envelope where I need to put my instant checks. This one is the calendar. This one is a euro sign, which means the date where you will have your salary. And this one is a special day, speciale dagen. And this one, betaling multi-checks, is the payments of my mail checks. So every day I will receive multi-checks from them. So it's like lunch checks. So I started May 3, and May 9 is the Mother's Day. So it says here, special day for Mama. I received my first salary on the 12th of May. You can see? Yes, there is the euro sign there. So everything in this agenda is all an information that I need to know. This is an information about all the stuff that I need to know, especially the public holiday, my personal yearly vacation. So it's all here in this agenda book. So I have all this stuff also. I have all this stuff. Normally, first day of this week, they give me my work planning. But normally, they just need to send it to my email, or they have some application. Actually, they have some application where I can download and then register there, and automatically I can receive emails information in that application. Even my work planning every week, and as well as my lungfish or salary slip. So in this box, I have disposable gloves. They give me also water bottle. I also got a spray here and hand gel, disinfectant spray, and this one is hand gel. They give me also tissue and mask. They give me mask. They give me 3, but I used already 1. And they give me also gloves. They give me 3, but I already used the other one. So this one is, and I have also apron. This one. Apron. So the apron looks like this. Small sizes, so all this stuff is small. And I have to put here also the Partena sticker, this one. So I will put it myself. I just stick it here and then use the iron to stick it like this. So it's like this. Here is the name of my company, new company. So I like the apron because there's a pocket here where I can able to put my phone. And they gave me also size slippery. So it's nice. 37 size. So it's my shoes, but I didn't use it yet. And they give me also a jacket. It's small, but I can see that it's big because the sizes here in Belgium, the smaller size, it cannot fit on me because small here is really big. So for example, I will go to shopping there in the children's section. I can find the sizes that fits on me. So here is the jacket. They give me a jacket. It's a warmer actually. It's size small, but you can see it's still huge. It's very huge. It's very big. So I just need to keep it
Oh, no.
But it's small, huh? It's really small. So that's all what I have here in my package. So thank you so much guys for watching, for your unending support. I wish you all the best. God bless us everyone. See you. Bye.
Rejoice who seeks the Lord.